Hello everyone! Today we're making mini pancakes. How cute do they look? You can use this recipe to make normal sized pancakes as well. It's completely up to you. So to a bowl we're adding 1 egg, 300 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less if you'd like. Now we're adding 60 grams of melted butter. Make sure the butter is cooled down. And to that I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then mixing it really well with a fork. Now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Starting with 380 grams of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients to this in 3 parts, just so that we don't have a lot of lumps. I swapped out my wooden spoon for a whisk because it was not mixing well at all. So here I've got a hot pan and I've sprayed it with some oil. I'm taking the pancake batter a teaspoon at a time. I'm trying to make it as similar as possible, but they don't look exactly the same. But I suppose that's okay. Life's too short, guys. And they don't need to be super perfect anyway. They still look good like this. So I did this about, I think 3 times, and then I felt like I had enough mini pancake. So then I made normal size pancakes and we had those as well for breakfast. This recipe serves about 3 to 4 people. And now I'm putting the pancakes together with some banana and blueberries. And I'm using a cocktail stick to hold it together. Now I'm just adding some honey. and some icing sugar. How cute do they look? Ugh, I literally love it. Not only do they look good, but they are so delicious. If you do make them, make sure you tag me on Instagram, please. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. So once it forms